Hey guys, welcome to another episode. So last night I stayed up all night and right now I finally got some rest and I'm gonna keep working on this program that I developed with HTML and it's I wouldn't say it's a software, but I want it to be close to one. So it's pretty much a prototype right now, and I'm gonna enter my password and I'm gonna show you guys how this program works and hopefully I remember it. Yeah. All right. So this is pretty much the same idea that I show you from the business card maker. I might call this design frame because pretty much you can design anything on this frame and you can make a logo from a PNG, from a image. So right now what I'm going to do is design a logo for a tree service company from just a PNG and real image, I guess you could say. So right now I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to go to Google, open a new page, go to Google and find us a tree image on a white background. I'm pretty sure you can find a lot of PNGs with no background, but the reason why I want to choose one with a background is because I'm going to show you how this image works and how you can remove the background from this image. Let's see if this one works. Yeah, this is going to work. All right, so I'm going to name it tree and save. Now let's go back to my program here, and now we're going to go to the color remover, which is HTML system that removes the background of an image and transforms it into an actual PNG with no background. So it's a JPEG format file. So I'm gonna open the file, go to my downloads tree, and you can see the background here. So how do I remove it? Pretty simple. I just add some brightness to the image to make it wider, and then I'm gonna go to the color picker here, double click and choose the color that I want to remove, which in this occasion is going to be the white color. And now when it turns red, that means that the background has been successfully removed. Now keep in mind that the lower pixel the image is, the less likely you're gonna get it your way. So try to get higher pixel images so that way it's easier to remove the background. So now I'm gonna download this image and it's going to download as a filter image and as a PNG. So now let's go back to the design frame and I'm gonna upload my image. But you know what, actually before I do that, I'm gonna go to my circular text and I can actually, let's do a curved text. I'm gonna do two of them. So I'm gonna call this tree service LLC. This is a made-up company, and I'm gonna choose this font here, update text, curve the text down and curve it up. You can curve down or curve it up, and I'm gonna make this bigger, a little more bigger, and yeah, we're gonna keep it at this font. Now I'm gonna download it, and I'm going to stay here. Now I'm gonna make up a phone number here. Don't call this number, this is a made-up number. 456-789-10. Okay, now update text, and this one is going to be curved down. Okay, curved down, and it's gonna be the same. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna leave a 2 space here, 1 2, and ended up with 2 spaces again, 1 2. I'm gonna tell you why, because if I do it perfectly, the circle doesn't have to be perfect. So, and I update it. Okay, make sure. Now download it. Alright, now let's go back. And now what I can do is upload my image, filter image, and going to make it bigger. All maybe not too big, just big enough. And I'm gonna transform this real image into a clip art or a silhouette shape, whatever you want to call it, just by clicking on the color picker. I'm gonna go on the logo editor section, and everything that has to do with the logo or the PNG is gonna be on this section. Anything that has to do with the text is gonna be up here. All right, so I'm gonna choose the black color, and it should be black. Okay, now it is a clip art, and now, you know what, actually I'm gonna make it slightly bigger. That's perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload my text. I'm gonna do, it doesn't matter which one, make it bigger. All right, for some reason it downloads this upside down, so no problem. I'm gonna rotate the logo 180 degrees, so rotate, and it should be there. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is upload my phone number, made up phone number. That will be this, and I'm gonna make it to the biggest. Okay, now this one is right exactly where I want it, and you can actually, I can make it bigger if I want the phone, I mean the tree, but this will be big enough. Okay, now what I can do is, since that one is not a perfectly circle, I can make this actually a little more smaller, maybe a little more bigger. Okay, maybe a little more smaller. And maybe a little bit smaller, because we want it to be almost like the bottom curved circle. Since the bottom one I made 2 spaces, it doesn't have to be perfectly, but if you want to make it almost perfect, you can just do it there, and that'll be perfect. Maybe a slightly smaller. Okay, I think this will be the closest one we can do. We don't want it too close to the tree. All right, so now let's place this up here. That's gonna be very close to circular design. Okay, now let's download the image. Download it. Logo maker is gonna be the name of the file. Now let's refresh the page, and actually let's add some distress to this design, or we can do it a gradient color or blend 3 different colors. You know what, let's do both, why not? Let's upload our design, and let's mix gold, blue, and let's try red. Maybe blend the colors. It doesn't look bad. Maybe instead of gold, green, and instead of red, green. Let's try the yellow color, blend it. I think that looks better, and let's do actually the yellow color in the center. Now that's a huge difference. Okay, now let's keep that here. Another color that we can mix with yellow is pink, or with blue. I'm sorry, now let's keep it blue. All right, now I don't know, what do you guys think? Let's do actually green. Oops. If not, we can try red. That one, I think I like that one. Now download. It's gonna download as a logo gradient. Okay, now let's go back and let's do another one, another distress effect. Choose file, and let's do the one color design, the logo maker file, and we can add some distress, add screen printing effect, and you can see the little dots there. we can actually alter the spots, make it bigger. Let's do one. Yeah, let's try that one. Download PNG. All right. Now I know there's too many files now, but I'm still working on this program. I'm trying to make it, more easier to use. So now let's use a t-shirt image. Let's compare the images with the two designs, one with the blended colors and another one with the screen printing effect. Now let's upload the image. Let's do the blended colors first. Make it bigger. And you see that? That looks nice. Yeah, I actually like this combination. All right, now let's make it smaller so we can put it here on the side. Now let's upload the distress color, and that'll be distress image. It was right in my face. Okay, and let's make this white. Okay, let's go up. I think I like that one too. You can make it maybe a green color, like a light green. Yeah, I like this color too. That gives the effect of a distress image. But I think I'm gonna stay with this one. I think this one is the winner. Looks too big. Let's place it here. All right, like I said, this is a prototype. It hasn't been official. I'm planning to let my followers on my other YouTube channel to have memberships and use this program as an alternative to software if they don't have a software, so they can design many logos and just, if either with just fonts or they can use images, whatever. Now let's let's download this image, logo maker number 1. Now let's do a presentation of this t-shirt. Let's upload. You can be creative and do the back side of the t-shirt so it displays both sides, but I mean, it don't matter. And yeah, this is pretty much the program that I've been working on all night. And like I say, I'm trying to make it better every day. I'm gonna try to improve something. I don't know. I'm just a beginner on HTML. I'm still learning, but I think I'm getting better. I think I'm getting way better than before. So yeah, this is it. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos about what other things this program can do. Thank you guys. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.